Good morning, seventh graders. Happy Friday to you. I'm obviously not here today, but just want to go over what you're going to be working on for today with your guest teacher. So you can see the two things that you're going to be doing are watching a Build Knife video of simple machines. And this is actually something we were going to watch later on in the semester when we do Rube Goldberg. But since I'm not here, this is a good time to just do it now, and then that way we won't have to do it later on. And so you will be using simple machines in your Rube Goldberg project later in the semester. By watching the Build Knife video, complete the worksheet that goes with it, and then you'll turn that in at the end. That'll save you one assignment that you will have to do later on in the semester, as long as you do it today and turn it in. The other part then for the second half of class is going to be filling out a worksheet all about me. So it's a learn about you and fill it in. I will eventually be posting a picture of you on the worksheet and be hanging them up around my room or the hallway. So take time to do that. Have a little fun with it. For my expectations for the video, make sure that it is voice level 0. And that for the help, you'll have a chance to chat after the video, but while the video is going on, you should be having that conversation. So you can get help after the video by working with each other, just not while the video is going on. The activity is simply watching the video and filling out that worksheet. And while the video is going on, you should be in your assigned seat. You shouldn't be moving around at any time for that. And just lastly, the participation, stay engaged. Try to follow along with the video and complete that worksheet. So enjoy your Friday. Make it a good one. Bye.